Wala ba tayong scorer? Scorer.
May kanino ka?
Doon. May chok tayo.
Kanino
Lagyan mo
anak
doon.
to? Tingnan mo ginagawa.
Chok.
Kanino anak?
Teka. Hanggang ilang games tayo? 15? 30. Raise to 15. Kuha ka ng chok. Chok. Lagay natin dito. Makiyan mo yan. Ayun. Okay, counted na ba yun? 2 points for red. 1 point. 1 point to red. Okay, 1 point for yellow. Okay, 1 point for red. Kids. Mga kids po, parents, please. May basketball court po. Yellow ball. Now going to red. Called by referee foul. Red ball. Okay. Going yellow. Counted by yellow.
Look, Daddy, oh. Daddy's playing, you see?
Oh, 3
3
points for
Balik talaga ni Idol,
red.
ah.
Ano yun? 2 points ba yun? 2 points.
Kasi tago 1 point lang.
Kids! Teachers, paki-check ang mga parents, teachers, paki-ano po yung mga kids ninyo, may nagpa-basketball po. Yellow ball. Yellow ball, score. Score, yellow ball. Going to red ball, score. Yellow ball, go for the 3, no. Yellow ball still. Okay, counted. Yellow ball. Red balls on the run. Bola ng red.
Ay, ang mga bata. Oh, yung daddy hindi nakalaro.
Counted by yellow.
I-shoot na si baby.
Kids! Parents, pakitignan niyo po yung mga kids ninyo. Baka masaktan po sa basketball. Yara! Counted by red. Red team. Yellow ball on hand. Go for the three. No. Rebound by red.
Lagi naman
Rebound by
bitin yun.
yellow.
Lagi bitin sa shoot. Ano, puyat?
Okay, counted by yellow.
Puyat talaga kami kagabi. Galing kami sa kabin.
Kids, baka tamaan kayo. Counted by yellow again.
Ayun.
Favor of yellow. Red for, go for the three.
Tusok lang.
Pass by yellow. Kids, parents, please, makipo yung mga anak ninyo at baka masaktan po. Okay. Red ball. Yellow ball.
Oh, hello, Chris. Hello.
Red. Okay. Red balls. Favor pa rin ng yellow. Go for the three. Lose the chance. Red ball. Jadi tatabaan. Rebound by yellow and back to red. Jump shot by red. Yellow balls on the run. Score by yellow. Red ball. Score by red. Humahabol, isa na lang po ang laban.
Kahit pag pinapawisan na siya, nakakasukutan.
8 versus 7. Red 7, yellow 8. Okay, score by yellow 9-7.
Uy, sayang.
Okay. Musi, dito kayo sa labas. Guys, mga bata. Red. Rebound by yellow. Right order. Score by yellow. 10-7. Okay, 10-8. Parents, pakipo naman please, baka masaktan po sila. Kaninong bata ito?
Hala, ano nangyari siya? Mabigat kaya yan, babe. Mabigat yan.
Three for the yellow.
Go, Maria!
Uy! Ang inyong bata rin. Mamis, pakikuha mo yung... Baka masaktan eh.
Ba yan? Three seconds!
Rebound by yellow team. Okay, counted.
Galing ni Maria.
11 by 8.
Ay, ang bata.
Red team 8, yellow 11. Oh, 2 points for red. 10, 11. Kids! Mga bata, up, up. Teachers, parents, pakipo yung mga bata at baka masaktan sa basketball area. Okay, kanina yung bola. Yellow team,
Sir, ba't di ka sumali, sir?
15.
Gutom na.
Okay, red team on the ball. Lay up by red. 3-0. Rebound by yellow. Konti na lang. Ayun, okay. Sayang. Favor of yellow, 1 point, 11 to 10 on red. Okay. Counted. 11. Lumabag na po ang aming red team. Isang points lamang ang red team sa aming yellow, 11 to 12. Red team. Favor, lamang na naman ang red, 13-11. 3 points by yellow. Pantay na po. Pantay na. So, okay, may tawag ng foul. Okay, last 2 points. Ayun, open. Science. 3-15.